it's Susan, and I wanted to welcome you to my channel and let you know a little bit about what you can expect to see here. Recently, I've been interviewing with some awesome professionals that have been giving us some great tips for staying healthy and well in this new environment that we're all living in. And you can see some of my older posts. I like to talk about anything about health and wellness, natural living, and just kind of share that with other people, whether you're already into all these sorts of things or you're really new to some of this stuff. I think that if you look through some of the videos, you're going to find something appealing to you. I also have a Facebook page. You can find it SuZen's Corner. You're welcome to go like that and join in conversation there as well. Again, the main goal of this is just to share happiness, health, wellness, longevity. I am not a doctor, none of that. These are just things that have worked for me. And then I also try to interview professionals that can also share with you some different, kind of tips for healthy living. So again, welcome here. I'm glad you have found this channel. I hope you subscribe, and I hope that you comment and engage with us on the videos that you're going to find. Make it a wonderful day.